Why are we here? Well, that's simple. We're here to test out the new and improved DJI Mavic 3. We set out for a number of locations and activities that would really allow us to enjoy the full spectrum of upgrades on the Mavic 3. The drone to surpass all drones. Let us show you why the DJI Mavic 3 truly lives up to its hype. The visual beauty of the DJI Mavic 3 is mesmerizing like no other. With a comprehensive set of functions, it is easy to capture beautiful images that will keep the audience on the edge of their seats. So, what are you waiting for? Let's take the DJI Mavic 3 on the most beautiful aerial journey.